All right, let's talk. So we've all been there, right? Beginner trader, not knowing what we're doing, gambling, taking every trade, the EMA lines, the trend lines. Oh, it's a bull flag. Oh, it's a bear flag, bro. We've been there. We've all made mistakes. It's okay. Trading isn't something that you want to take lightly. You want to either go fully into it or not do it at all. It's not something I recommend if you just want to first start off. I'm gonna say that now. It's a very hard skill to master. It takes years, maybe months if you're lucky and you have a right mentor. But overall, it's one of the hardest professions you can get into. I get it. You see people making $4,000, $6,000 a day and you're like, oh, I want to do that too. And you go straight into it and you fail. I've been there. Trust me, I understand. Like today, I made a little over 6K. But does that mean I made 6K in one day? No. I spent 4 years of my life studying this skill to be able to make that 4-figure mark, right? If you want to become profitable, you have to trade the chart. You have to trade price action only. Understand how the price works. Understand how the chart works. Personally, I trade only SPY and ES. SPY, as you know, S&P 500. It's the stock market. It's the stock. I don't trade it specifically, but I use it to trade on futures, my ES contracts. I also do look at the ES chart when I'm charting my zones as well. Sometimes throughout days or weeks they do get skewed, so a zone on ES that's right here could be a zone on SPY that's over here. So it does skew a little bit up and down. That's why I take both. That's called double dipping. We explain that all in the Discord. But besides that, when you're first starting off trading, it's going to be hard, no doubt about it. And I'm not here to tell you it's going to be easy. It's going to be pretty goddamn hard, and you're going to have moments where you're like, damn, should I actually stick to this? Well, this is going to work. What if I don't make it? What if I blow all my money? Everyone goes through that phase. You just have to stick through it and get it done at the end of the day. The best thing you could do is find a mentor. Having a mentor literally skips you a bunch of steps. On my Discord, there's a kid named Aiden. The first week I started live streaming, he joined the chat. Started talking to me, started learning how to trade. Guess what? Now he's funded on a 50K account through Apex Trader Funding. You know how? Because he stuck to the plan, he learned how to trade, and now he's slowly becoming profitable. And he's only been trading for 3 months. If you have the right mentors, they will lead you towards success. And whoever's telling you they're green every single day, they're lying. No profitable trader is green every single day. You're gonna have red days, you're gonna have red weeks, you might even have red months. The more important part is to control your losers. You have to be a proper loser. If you're not a good loser, you're not gonna get anywhere with trading. I'm not telling you this to scare you. I'm telling you this from my own experience and from what I've witnessed other people go through. And yeah, now we just sit here and trade every single day. Market open and market close on the Discord. We're just banking every single day. But I wouldn't be able to do that if I didn't put the 4 years of work into it. I wouldn't be able to do that if I didn't stick to the plan. Go head deep into whatever you're doing. Grind hours and hours a day. I would have sleepless nights trying to perfect the strategy. Is it worth it? Yes, it is worth it. At the end of the day, why are you trading? What's the purpose of trading? The end goal is to become profitable. And if you're not going to put in your 110% effort, it's not even worth looking at anymore. Just go work a regular job, go to college, get your degree, go get a job. Trading's not meant for you. But if you actually have the grind and passion for trading, welcome, bro, welcome. Join us. As I said, if you guys have any questions about trading, anything at all, my strategy, zones, anything, bro, let me know. I got you. We do trace 2 strategies on the Discord. One of them is based off of 5-minute confirmations. That's all explained on the YouTube videos. Watch like the last 7 videos I posted. You got it. And I'm about to recap my day today. I was going to take a trade during FOMC. I wasn't that confident in the zone that we created, so I just waited for the better zone, and we did end up banking on that better zone. That's pretty much it. Profitability is not going to be easy. It's going to take a long time to get there, but if you have a proper mentor, a proper group of people helping you, you'll get there in no time. We started off the day pumping pretty well. During the pump, we did create a new order block right here on the 5-minute chart. We pumped up, started consolidating up here for a nice 50 minutes of consolidation, and we dumped straight into our order block. As soon as we entered our order block, we entered in longs, and we took our profit at 2 points exactly. 20 cents on SPY. So 20 cents is equivalent to 2 points on ES, and we trade futures, so took profit there and waited. We waited. A new order block form right here. We didn't take a trade right here because it was during FOMC, and I don't like trading during FOMC, but in the future we might start trading it. Depends on how developed the strategy gets. But right here, we did wick the zone, and it just dumped completely and got, what, 7 points of profit, 70 cents on SPY. And we just didn't have any trades here. It was no man's land, just consolidating, nothing really too special. And as soon as we started pumping up, we did create a new zone down here. So we're going to be looking at this zone going into tomorrow and next week, if we don't hit it tomorrow. So the zones that we played off of today were untested zones that were created on October 25th and October 24th. So what happened is we entered zone number 1 on ES, and exactly when we entered zone number 1 on ES, we entered zone number 2 on SPY. The zones shift over time, that's normal. So we didn't take the trade once we touched zone number 1. We just deleted the zone, completely disregarded it. As you can see right here, the market is moving live. Zone number 1, the top of it, is going to the zone number 2. Yeah, it did shift, and it's pretty weird, but it is what it is. We use that to our benefit. So as soon as we entered here, it did go against us, and we didn't stop out, even though it did go out of the zone, because it did wick the zone above right here. Wick the zone above, giving us more confidence to stay in the trade. And once we entered, we did pump up, we hit the zone above, and we did reject down and fall and hit our take profit at 2 points exactly. This is a 95+% win rate, so that's why we do have this negative risk ratio. 1 loser equals 2 winners. So with every loss, it takes away 2 winners. But we could have that with a 95% plus win rate. All my recaps are on the Discord right here, just like this. We screenshot this, send to the Discord, explain what we do. Everyone on the Discord bank today. We got Axelrod with 1.2k profit. We got Wall Street G with 2k profit. We got Casper with 1.5k profit. We got me with my profit. We got Tommy with his profit. If you go to polls, you can see there's 26 people green today, 22 yesterday, 35 the day before. Just wanted to make a quick recap for you guys. We do still play our key level trades, but the levels are kind of skewed because we haven't been in this area for a while. So we have to let this area consolidate for a little bit for our levels to get properly formed. Once that happens, we'll start trading key levels again. But until then, we're just going to keep banking off of zones. And these are the zones that we want to look at tomorrow. We got a couple zones from October 19 and October 18 that we're going to play tomorrow if we continue pumping up. We do have a mini untested zone below. If you're in the Discord, you know what that means, as well as a couple untested zones below. But if you guys have any questions, comment them below, I'll answer it. Or join the live stream every single day, 7 a.m. Pacific, 10 a.m. Eastern. I'm live every single day there for 4 hours. And then we do go private for the last 2 hours of market, Discord members only, answering any questions you guys got, one-to-one mentoring, anything you guys need, we're there for you. That's it for today. I want to do a quick recap today, explain to you guys what's going on with the Discord. We have a lot of major updates. We have over 400 people now in the Discord. We did just do a giveaway. We reached 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I'm out. Remember, stay green, stay confident, and stay patient. As the members know, patience always pays. You have to stay confident in your trades, stay patient, and money will slowly come to you.